Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Decided I want to change up the look of the AT4 a little bit. Let's go. So you're probably wondering, what are you thinking, Don? What are you going to change? Well, let me show you. So I've started to remove these bezels from the front fog lights. You may remember in a previous video, I had wrapped these white from the fake chrome that's on these ones here. So I'm going to unwrap these, but first, if you want to know how to remove these, I'll leave a link to that video up here. So click on that if you want to see it. But I am going to wrap these in the same camel black pattern that I have for the top half of my truck, or the top third. And then I'm going to take the vinyl wrap off of these mirror caps. I just feel I want to make these openings look more prominent with the darker colored wrap. And then I think this should be black because the top part of the truck is black. I've already taken the vinyl off of this one. Let's get the vinyl off the other. Got it. Got them unwrapped, all cleaned up. Let's see if I have enough vinyl left. Pretty sure we can find something in here. Let's see what this piece looks like. Yeah, I can probably make that work. So the key is just to get it laid down on all the flat spots. Now I can heat it up and I can start wrapping it around and contouring it to the various angles and then trim it out. Okay, we got that nice and wrapped and tucked around a little bit. We'll trim off the extra vinyl around the sides, and then we'll heat this up and wrap it on the inside. So making these cutouts here as I go just relieves tension, but don't cut too close because it could easily stretch out and then reveal some of the part you're trying to cover. So less is more. Now that we've wrapped up in the front here and actually wrap the vinyl around, it's going to relieve the tension, and we can fold over this last little bit. Would you look at that? Now we'll pop it on, but I'm not going to show you yet. Oh yeah, I think it definitely looks better, maybe even a little meaner. Let's get the other one done. Another one done. I'm just gonna pop it on. No, you don't get to see this one yet either. Then we're gonna pop the mirror caps off, get them back to black. Then I gotta wash the truck and we'll do a reveal. Got my little screwdriver and pick tool here so I can pop this glass out. All right, we made the adjustments, the small minor changes that could have a big difference. I think we won't really know until the truck's clean. So let's go wash it and then we'll have a closer look.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Oh, we're rolling. How do you guys like the truck? Let me know in the comments below. I think the bezels being black or that camel black makes them look a lot larger around the fog light. I kind of like it. Still gonna take some getting used to. The mirror caps are now black. Sometimes a guy just has to change things up. I'm also thinking about taking the wrap off of the tailgate. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I might leave the inner tailgate done and do it just like the AEV edition AT4X. Haven't decided yet, we'll see. Let me know what you think. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.